Let's watch a determined baby. Simon knows what he wants. You can do it. There you go. Look closer. And his keys are in the bowl. And that's what he wants. Hey, look at me. Hey, Simon. Hi, Simon. Hi. Yeah. You could get a little closer to the table, because then you could operate stuff on it. Hi. You say "ada" for your family? Can you say it? Ada. 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 Are you going to pull closer to the table? Take a step. Normally you do much better than this, sweetheart. Come on. There goes the splits. Uh-oh, he's going to lose it. Uh-oh. Oh, graceful. That was very graceful. Come here. He's going to push back up. You push back up.
Yummy.
Hi. Hi. Wow, look at that. Look how grown up that was. That was so grown up. You're such a big boy. Yeah. You sure are. Uh-huh. Okay. Say bye-bye. Ada. Okay. Bye-bye.